lesson, a straight strumming lesson. Well, strumming, but some breaking. I think that's what it's called. I haven't done anything theory or music instruction or anything in a long time, so I think that's what it's called. But I will still straight strumming no matter what. So, House of New Orleans. Original songs in A minor. We don't have A minor, so it's gonna be a full step up to a B minor. There's many different voicings you can do for some of these chords, and I kind of throw them all in when I'm playing this song. And I think what it is, I'm still searching for what sounds the best, but it works the way it's done right now for a singing song. There's the bass line that do 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 that you can't do on here just because you don't have enough strings and enough bass strings to make it work. But as a strumming singing song, it'll work fine. So you got B minor, D, E, G, F sharp. That's all the chords you got. So the B minor never changes. That's the one voicing I do the whole time. So it's just your second fret, your first fret, and open. And then your D. I play this 3 different voicings on this song. So then the basic one everyone knows, straight open. Then the second voicing is with their first fret. But quite often in the song I'm playing it, which is pretty close to that. It's just a little bit higher. So that is the 4th fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret. And then you've got your E, which stays the same throughout the whole song. Your G, which I play both ways in the song. I play it open, 1st, 3rd. And then I play it 3rd, 3rd, 3rd. And then your F sharp, which is 2nd, 2nd, 2nd. So it's 2 parts, and it just alternates between those 2 parts over and over again. So you start in B minor, to the D, to the E, to the G, to the B minor, to D, to the F sharp. So that's the first part. Now the second part, the first 4 notes stay the same. So you start your B minor, your D, to your E, to your G, to your B minor. This is where it changes. To your F sharp, B minor, and then F sharp again. Just a side note, I don't know how many of you were watching me on tablets, how much are you watching me on phones, computers. But when I do my videos, I always try to do those little intonation boxes that you usually will see up here, but they only work on your desktop or your laptop. They won't work on mobile. So just a side note, if you guys need help with the chords, I'll usually have them posted right up there. And I'll do the same with this video, so you can see everything I'm trying to do. So we'll start from the beginning again. So the first part, B minor, D, E, G, B minor, D, F sharp, B minor. The second part now, D, E to the G. And you got your B minor, F sharp, B minor, F sharp. And then what I was saying about the raking, it's almost strumming, but you're just slowing it down just a millisecond and letting each note ring first. That's just something that will take a little practice, and if it sounds good to your ear, you'll come across it the way it works for you. For everybody, it's different. There's no cookie cutter for the way stuff works, right? Everybody has their way of doing stuff, so that's what would be the best, is if you found the way that works for you. Don't listen to somebody saying it has to be done this way, it has to be done that way. That's all bull. Just do what works for you. Anyways, how's the rising sun? For the life of me, I can't even think who's that. The Animals? Is that the Animals? I think it's the Animals. But that's it for that one. Have fun with it. Make it your own. And until next time, we'll see you guys later.